This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make nail builder gel step by step. Gather all supplies and set them on a clean table. Sanitize tools and wear gloves while measuring. Keep a notebook to record ratios and observations. Line up containers and label them to avoid cross-contamination. Make sure lighting is good and your work area is uncluttered, then move on to measuring ingredients carefully. Measure resin and thickener using precise syringes or scales and combine in a small mixing cup. Stir slowly in one direction to avoid trapping air and add pigment drop by drop until color is even. If mixture is too runny, add tiny amounts of thickener and test again. Keep notes of each tweak and test small samples on a nail tip before committing to a full application. It saves time and product. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making content you enjoy. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long sessions. It keeps drinks cold and is easy to hold with one hand while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Scoop a small bead of gel onto the nail and press into place with a brush, building structure near the free edge and cuticle carefully. Cure each thin layer under your UV lamp according to the gel's instructions to ensure full polymerization. Lightly file between layers only if necessary to shape, then apply a final top coat and cure to lock in shine and durability. Clean edges with alcohol and inspect each nail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.